we are at CES 2020. Why'd you do that? Okay.
What did I do?
Here we are at CES 2023. I'm Kimberly Gideon, editor at Laptop Mag, and I'm here with Jason England, content editor, and he is trying on the OWO VR haptic suit. So here's the thing about this VR haptic suit. It starts off great, you know, you can experience a gust of wind and other, you know, less intense sensations, but you can also experience getting shot, getting stabbed.
For ages 18 and up. Why? I had to kill the kid once.
And apparently you can actually change the intensity of the sensation, so if you're not ready to really go there and really experience the actual sensation of being shot, and I understand that, you can turn down the intensity. So are you ready, Jason, to...
Not really, but yeah, you have volunteered me for this, so I must do it.
You brave soul. I can't wait to see how it turns out. Let me know how it feels. Could you explain how you hook it up, or?
Yes, we have just like a prototype.
Wait.
Oh. But we plug it on. It's like USB-C. Just plug it on, and then you go.
Okay.
Put it on the pocket, close it, and ready.
How does it link to the game?
Via Bluetooth.
Okay, got it. Thank you.
Thank you.
So while Jason is getting set up with his torture session, I'm seeing another person putting on the OWO haptic suit, and all I can say is I'm kind of concerned for Jason. All right, Jason's strapped in. He's got his OWO haptic suit on, and he's playing some sort of VR Space Invaders game, and these robot alien spaceships are shooting back gunfire at Jason right now, and he can feel it. So I can't wait to hear what he has to say and whether it is as painful as it looks. OWO Skin is the official name of this haptic suit. It costs $425. It comes in 9 sizes, from X small to quadruple X large. It offers simulations in 10 locations of the body, including the arms, and offers 30 different sensations like dart piercing your body, abdominal wounds, insect bites, and even getting punched. All right, so Jason just finished his little session with...
Got stabbed.
And what else? What happened?
So it starts with a demo, it starts with a bit of a teaser at the beginning where you start to like feel all the different things it can do. It starts with a gust of wind, and you start to feel that kind of like across your chest and down your side.
Okay.
And then it gets to more...
Pause. Did it actually feel like a gust of wind?
Yeah, so it's kind of like it was like quite a gentle like pulsing
Gotcha.
across your body. And then it got more violent.
Okay.
I got hit with a dart, I got stabbed, I got shot. The gunshot, you actually feel it go in and out.
Oh my god.
But
Okay.
the good thing about it is you can actually like customize the sense, like you can customize the strength
Okay.
of the feedback
Right.
of it. So for me, it wasn't painful at all.
Okay, how do you customize it, by the way?
So there's a bit at the
intensity.
beginning where you can like turn it up or down using a handle.
Gotcha. And was yours all the way down, or?
So my arms were at 7,
Okay.
and everything else about me was at 6.
Gotcha.
You can go up to 10,
Uh-huh.
which is what I did.
Yes.
You can definitely feel it.
Okay.
And I would probably like keep it at that lower level so that you've got like, you still enjoy it at the same time.
Okay. Thank you very much. That's it.
YouTuber VR Link, also known as Merrick Green, also tried out the suit. Here's what he had to say.
It feels very realistic. The pain is a little bit less than I would say paintballing, but it's very intense because it's electrical impulses. So, for instance, when you get shot from a bullet, you feel it go through right here,
Oh.
and then you also feel it right here as well.
Wow.
And when you get stabbed, like you feel it. So they have different types of pain thresholds and different sizes of pain, I believe. So, for example, one of the things was like an arrow. They shot like a little dart at me, and it was like a little prick. And then another time it was like a giant knife, and it was a bigger prick. So
Okay.
it's really cool. And also, when the robots were shooting at me, I realized the ones that are closer hurt more. So like that was really intense.
Yeah.
Like you really want to not get shot.
Right.
So I think this is just a overall really cool experience.
Okay, thank you so much.
No problem.
Appreciate it. So there is a VR haptic suit from OWO that is long sleeve instead of the short sleeve that you saw here on Jason. But it is available for pre-order right now, but you cannot get it until next month.